Okay, I might get blocked after this video. Y'all aren't gonna like me after this video, but here's the thing. There's something I'm seeing more and more. We're in 2025 and we gotta talk about it. Now, I need every church mother, I need y'all to stretch your hands towards me. And I need to feel y'all lift me up because people are not gonna like what I'm about to say. But today we are going to talk about shacking up while owning real estate. Calm down, stop yelling. We're gonna talk about it, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there. You get your little education, okay? And then you decide what you wanna do. But I'm seeing it more and more. Let me paint a picture for you. Let's say woman meets man, and man already has a house. And the woman decides to move in because they've been dating for a period of time. So now the woman moves in and she's helping contribute towards the mortgage. But the home is in the man's name, okay? So she's contributing, whether it be financially contributing, whether it be helping fund a renovation, because maybe she wants, this kitchen, I want better granite, I want better appliances. So they're splitting how much it costs to upgrade a kitchen or a bathroom, anything. Paint your own scenario. Give your own scenario. And you go in, you move it, and you're contributing to the mortgage. Now, let's not get funny here, because at the end of the day, contributing could be a lot of different things. It could be that she's staying home, watching your kids. That's a job. Amen. Let's just say a few years goes by. And then it's like, now tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? No, you can't stand it. Tired of smelling like outside. Things have gotten hard with your relationship and you want out and you move out. You have contributed to that person's equity. So what happens when they decide later down the road that they now want to sell that property, and you have contributed to the upgrades in that property? You have also contributed to the mortgage on that property. Now, of course, there's obvious things to consider, right? How long has he owned the property? Was it an inherited property? How long has he stayed in the property after you move out? How much equity has he contributed to versus you? There's a lot of different variances. The point is there's a lot of people who are moving in with somebody who owns a piece of real estate, and they are contributing, and then the relationship goes sour, and then the person who owns the piece of property ends up making a bunch of money if they decide to list that property because of your contribution. I mean, just think about the movie Waiting to Exhale. Remember, what's the lady name? Is it Angela Bassett? I could have it wrong. But you know, all of those years I didn't help you build your business, and I've been helping you, dog, and then now you just gonna kick me out? Yeah, it's happening. Another thing I'm seeing is, the couples moving in together, right? So there's a lot of dating couples out there. They want to move in. However, the home is just in the guy's name. The girl's name is not on there, right? But she's contributing towards the down payment, or she's contributing towards something else. She will be contributing towards the mortgage, okay? So her name's not on the deed. You move in and with the anticipation of getting married, but then something goes sour. So now your ex-fiance is sitting on all that equity, assuming years goes by, and now you're getting out. You're moving out because it's his property. You're moving out. And he is sitting on how many thousands of dollars? Yeah. So when you are going to move in with somebody, have the conversation, possibly get on the deed. I'm not gonna step in that space. I just want you to have the conversation. If you are not going to get married, have the conversation of being added onto the deed, or find out for your state what the laws are, what the process is, but you gotta think about these things. And if you are buying a property with somebody and you are going to be helping them, and you're going to be moving in with the anticipation of getting married, and that marriage never happens, and you break up, who's winning? I hope this video was helpful. Bye.